Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is another alternate card using elements from the Celebrate Spring paper pumpkin kit for February 2026. So we are just going to make a simple Z-fold card today. So I've got a side opening landscape card. So I've taken my 8.5 by 11 and I've cut it at 4 1/4. I've scored it at 5 1/2. And then at 2 3/4, which is half of 5 1/2. So then we've got our Z-fold going on. So my designer series paper is the In Color pattern pack. And I had it all in the Shy Shamrock. I'll get those pieces out again so you can see. And the whole thing just looked a little bit plain with the Shy Shamrock. So what I've decided to do is use the Pretty in Pink on the visible pieces and the Shy Shamrock on the inside fold. So then these pieces are 4 by 2 1/2 so that they will fit on here with a little bit of margin. So I've got a 5 1/4 by 4 that I need to adhere to the inside, so that the card is easier to write on. So we're going to do that. There we go. Okay, and I can layer these pieces down now too. You can do this any way you want, whatever pattern paper you're using. Yeah, obviously your choice. And I need to decide which way up. This looks better this way up. Again, that equal margin, top, bottom, and side. And then, of course, this is the front of our card. So we're just going to pop this down. So my challenge with this card was to use Shy Shamrock cardstock. I'm not a super huge fan of this green. Now, I know it's a beautiful, really, really pretty green. Just not my favorite. So what I'm also going to do is I'm just going to pop this in here. It's an extra piece. It was left over when I cut my paper up. It's 4 by 1. And I just thought it was pretty. And I'm going to just pop it in here with a little bit of margin or border on the one side. Just give it a pop down like that. Okay, so I need to stamp my greeting. So what I've got from the kit for the card itself is I've got part of that wreath that I've already started to cut up. I've cut some more. I've cut the stem off one of the flowers, and I've got one of the yellow flowers. I've got the banner from the kit. I've got the greeting block from the kit, and then I used my Stylish Shapes square die to cut out a Shy Shamrock piece. So I'm just going to adhere that down. And it's slightly off square, so it's not exactly going to fit in the middle, but I'm just going to make it equal from each side in. Okay, I'm stamping in the Pretty in Pink. So get that Happy Easter all done up. And I'm stamping it off center. I'm stamping it over like this. So there we go. Okay, let's close that ink pad up. And then I'm just going to pop this down on here, but I'm going to pop it down with dimensionals. So I'm going to put a couple of dimensionals on either side of the middle. Just like that. Okay. So let's just peel the backings off of those like this. And then we're going to lay it over the middle of that greeting. And then I'm going to dimensionalize the top and bottom of this because it's going to go over top. So and it's going to extend, so I'm going to put a dimensional here and one here. If you want to use larger dimensionals, you can. It's just this is what came in the kit. So this is going to go down like this. There we go. And then I'm just going to flat mount the flowers. This one's going to pop down here like this. This one is going to go towards the top like this. And I've just placed it so that the little bit of green stem actually kind of goes with the green there. And then I'm going to just mount this on the front here, kind of centralizing it, just so that it looks like it belongs and it's not just floating there. So I'm only going to put adhesive on one side of this so that it doesn't adhere down to the whole card. And we're going to pop it down like this. So that's our Z fold. And I actually like how the green here contrasts with the pink, and the pink in the greeting contrasts with the green there. So I think that looks really good. I'm just going to use some of these sequins and fill in some of the space up here. And I'm going to use the lighter colored ones. And I'm just going to pop 3 up here. Like this. There we go. And then I'm going to pop 3 down here, and then I'll see if I want to put them in the center of the flowers as well, because why not go sequin crazy if you can. So again, just random, kind of keeping it in a loose triangle, but not a specific kind of shape, like not adhering completely to equal distant rules. And I'm going to take one of the darker ones, and I'm going to put it in the center of this flower like this. And then again, one of the darker ones in the center of this flower like this. So that is another alternate card using elements from the Paper Pumpkin kit. And we've got our Z-fold card. And another reason for doing this stripe down here is because the white in the greeting and the banner is different from the basic white of the rest of the card. So that is our card. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.